Here's another meatless recipe. Today I'm making taquitos dorados de papa en salsa verde. We're gonna start by boiling the potatoes. My pot is set to medium heat with some water. Once the water is boiling, we add the potatoes. I'm using 5. Then some salt, cover, and cook until tender. It's been 15 minutes and our potatoes are ready. A way to know is if you stick a fork and it should go in easily. Now we remove and set aside. To make the salsa, I've set my saucepan to medium heat with some water and we're gonna boil 9 tomatillos, 2 serrano peppers, small piece of white onion, and 2 garlic cloves. We boil just until the tomatillos change color. After 5 minutes, they're ready and we transfer everything into the blender. Then we add 1 avocado, small bunch of cilantro, salt to taste, half a cup of water, and we blend. And this is the consistency that I like. Now we mash the potatoes and we can begin preparing the filling. My pan is set to medium heat and we add some oil. We're gonna saute half a white onion and 3 minced garlic cloves for about a minute. Then we add 3 roma tomatoes and cook until the tomatoes release all their juice. After 3 minutes, we add the potatoes and mix until everything is well combined. Now we add salt to taste, mix once more, and cook for about 3 minutes. To make the taquitos, I put my tortillas in the microwave for about a minute so they're soft and flexible. We add some of the filling, you can add as much as you like, and roll. Continue doing the same with the rest. With this amount of filling, you can make about 25 taquitos. Now we can start frying. Once the oil is hot, we add the taquitos and we're gonna fry for about 3 minutes on each side. These are ready and I'm gonna remove them from the heat. To prepare, I like to add some of the salsa we made, the taquitos, top with some lettuce, Crema Mexicana, and quesito fresco. It's a super simple recipe, affordable, and so delicious. All right, guys, and now for the moment of truth. Cheers. Honestly, guys, you need to try these taquitos. They're so delicious. They're perfect for Lent. For those of you that follow me, you know that I've been making a lot of Lent recipes, so go check out my channel and you'll find a few more there. And there you have it, delicious tacos de papa. All right, guys, that's it for this one. If you've made it this far and you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so you won't miss any of our new videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.